Smith built that service station, and that's the original building and the original location, and it was called Wally's. Now, back in those days, the service station was a place where all the guys hung out on Saturdays. You had to go to McDonald's on parties. But you get there at 8 o'clock on Saturday morning and leave at 3 or 4 o'clock that afternoon. Had the rocking chairs out front like we do. Just sit out there and rock and chew tobacco and spit and tell lies. Make a little moonshine.
There you go.
And I guarantee it was not a problem the world had solved in that lane at the time. And depending on how much moonshine you drink, it may solve that same problem 2 or 3 different
times.
Come up 2 or 3 different answers. We're on our way. Barney, you got your bullet.
Yes, sir. I got at least. I got my one bullet.
I'm sure you got your bullet. And there was your air conditioner. First Special Chariot Church built in 1912. Same granite, the same quarry, but now they've got a saw. See the difference?
Yeah.
See, it's all squared up.
Yeah.
You can see a little difference in the colors. The same quarry. But what happens is, the deeper they go, the whiter the granite gets. 1904, 1912, 14 years later, it's a deeper vein. Here's our municipal building. Once again, same granite and same quarry. Now, once you forget the building is not there. That's the location of the South Main High School. And that's where Andy went to high school and graduated. Not the building, the life. Donna Fargo, does that ring a bell to anybody?
Yep. Country and westerns.
Country music singer.
Yep.
Had 2 big kids, I'm the happiest girl in the whole USA and funny face, and she's from here. And we're getting ready to get on the Donna Fargo Highway. And we have an Andy Griffith Parkway, which y'all came in on today.
Correct, yep.
And so, we're getting ready to, like, to get on the Donna Fargo Highway. She has a mural up down there to show you as we get